One day the Lord spoke to a man named Abram. Leave your country, your people, and your father's house. Go to the land I will show you, and I will bless you. Without knowing where he was going, Abram obeyed. He took his wife Sarai, his nephew Lot, and all they owned, and began the journey of faith. Abram traveled through deserts and valleys, trusting God every step of the way. Even when the land was unknown and the road uncertain, he kept walking. God had promised to make him a great nation, and Abram believed. The stars and the promise, Genesis 15. One night God took Abram outside. He said, "Look up at the sky and count the stars, if you can." Then God said, "So shall your descendants be." Even though Abram had no children, he believed the Lord, and God counted it to him as righteousness. Birth of Isaac, Genesis 21. Years passed, and God fulfilled his promise. Sarai gave birth to a son, Isaac. Laughter filled the tent, and joy filled their hearts. God had done what seemed impossible. At an old age, Abraham became the father of nations. Sacrifice of Isaac, Genesis 22. Then God tested Abraham's faith. "Take your son, your only son Isaac, and sacrifice him to me." Abraham obeyed, but just as he raised the knife, an angel called out, "Do not harm the boy. Now I know you fear God." Abraham looked up and saw a ram caught in the bushes. God had provided. Abraham trusted God through every trial. When he didn't know where to go, he followed. When it seemed impossible, he believed. And when tested, he obeyed. His story reminds us, faith isn't about having all the answers. It's about trusting the one who does.